Alright, what's good YouTube? So today I'm going to be opening up both of the Gyarados GX Hidden Fates products. I got the box and I got the tin. Also, just to make it an even 10 packs, I'm going to throw in 2 Cosmic Eclipse into the mix. Real quick, I had a subscriber ask for me to give him a shout out, Meme Corp. So there it is. If you're a subscriber, I have no problem with giving you a shout out. So real quick, tomorrow I'm doing a 30 PTCGO code card giveaway. Please go check out Sunday's video and like, comment, subscribe, and you could be eligible to win those codes. I'll announce the winner tomorrow. So let's get into this opening. I'm going to start with one Cosmic Eclipse and end with a Cosmic Eclipse, alright? And then in between we'll have the Gyarados Hidden Fates. So let's start off with this first pack. We have a Cosmic Eclipse. Alright. Where is the code? Right there. Alright. Get this trash out the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let's see what we can get. Cosmic Eclipse. Whoa. Almost skipped a card. Snorunt, Rockruff, Deerling, Teddiursa. Ooh, look at that. Mimikyu character art. Nice. I feel like this is one of the better ones. And then, oh. Woo. Whoa. Where is the sleeve? Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Focus. Well, that is a Rainbow Rare Charizard. So, I don't really care what else I open up today, but I'll keep opening. Dang. I just pulled the Rainbow Rare Charizard. Wow. I'm kind of in shock, honestly, because I've had really crappy luck and I did not expect that. So, yeah, kind of threw me off, definitely. Rainbow Rare Charizard. I have opened a booster box. Like, some people might be like, oh, he hasn't even opened that many packs, but I have opened a booster box. I haven't uploaded the video yet, but I guess I've opened a decent amount of packs. I didn't expect to pull the Charizard that early, though. Alright, so let me put this Mimikyu in the pull pile. Wow. Now all we need to do is pull a shiny Charizard, and this is the greatest video ever. So, we do have 8 Hidden Fates packs to open, so. Wow. Rainbow Rare Charizard. Just made this whole, even if I don't pull anything in the, ooh. A shiny. Look at that. Even if I don't pull anything else, I'm just happy with the Rainbow Rare Charizard and Braixen. That is sweet. I think that is the 4th Charizard I've pulled on the channel, so trying to get those numbers up, you know. I think this is it, and it's a water energy. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright. Let's see what we can do. And then after this, I'll be opening up the box. Kind of get to see which one has better pulls. They're saying that if you want the shiny Charizard to get the Gyarados products. Ooh! Look at that! Shiny Charmander. All right, shiny Charmander to go with our Rainbow Rare Charizard. All right, you guys have seen this stuff. The Gyarados GX. We got the 4 packs and the Jumbo, which you guys have seen before. Here is this. Let me know if you get that code. All right, round 2. I thought that was a holographic for a second. Whoa, not right there. So, we got a shiny Charmander, a Rainbow Rare Charizard. This is probably my best opening on the channel. Yeah, I think it is. There's only one way for it to get any better. The shiny Zard. Nah. I've kind of given up hope on it. I've opened so many Hidden Fates, and all I get is hollow energies and Zapdos hollows. No, I'm being pessimistic. I've gotten some good pulls. I can't complain. Charmeleon, Jigglypuff, Coughing, Staryu, Ekans, Caterpie, and that's it. Last pack, I don't think I pulled anything out of this box. Yeah. So hopefully it's in this pack. I would definitely not like, you know, a hollow energy to show for an entire $20 box. Which, by the way, if you guys go out on Black Friday, the Hidden Fates 10s are going to be $9.99. So woo, there we go. There we go. I highly suggest picking some Hidden Fates 10s up on Thanksgiving. Alright, let's get into this last Cosmic Eclipse. And just to think, the last time I opened one of these up, there was a shiny Charizard. Let's see how the second pack does. Alright. Erica, Jolteon. Thought there was a pile of Jolteons at Zapdoses. Drillbur, Tangela, Sunkern, and we're going to end it off with a holo. So not that bad. But guys, you know, we got a couple shinies. Character full art. Got a shiny Charmander, one of the better shinies. But we did it. Check that out. It looks like it's pretty good centering. Maybe it could be a little bit better, but I don't care because I got the chase card out of the set and I'm happy about that. Alright guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in tomorrow's video and tell you guys who won all of these codes. Peace.